What is up, party people? Welcome back to my channel. I have a Tokyo Pen Shop unboxing for you. This is character kit number 10, I believe. And before we get started, I just want to apologize for this setup. I know it's not that nice overhead shot, but I'm working in my new office and the tripod that I got from Daiso is a little bit different from the one that I had previously, and I just can't seem to figure out my new camera setup, and I'm getting a little bit frustrated, to be completely honest. So we've just got my phone set up against my laptop, and you're getting this like half shot of me. I don't know, that's the best that I could do for you guys, but I did want to film this today because I've been busy with work and I'm not at work today. So let's go ahead and pop it open. As you can see here, they marked off that this was box number 20 out of however many they do for the character kits. I know that it is a limited edition run, and the previous kit did show how many. It was like, I want to say out of 60, but I could be mistaken. I do have my invoice, and then they do include a little blurb, one-pager, about all of the items, but I like to be surprised, so I kind of just saved this for after. And this is character kit number 10, set A. So that means that they have another variant, if not more than just the one. Of course, they include their height shoe. This one is in cherry, and they still have their custom Tokyo Pen Shop multi-sticker, custom multi-pen sticker. Is it focusing? I can't tell. And I'm using the front-facing camera. My apologies, guys. I know this video is already falling apart before we've even started, but bear with me. I know that this kit is going to be good. I have yet to be disappointed by Tokyo Pen Shop. Someone had commented on my previous video that I opened the tissue paper really nicely, and it's just because I like to peel off the washi tape and reuse it in my planner. Is that kind of lame? I just think that this washi tape that Kimberly and the TPS team uses is really pretty. Otherwise, I would be tearing through this sucker. Ooh, so exciting! Okay, so the first thing that catches my eye is the little twin stars correction tape. And Kimberly did a teaser of this on her Instagram, and I was super excited. I think that's kind of what prompted me to go check out the new character kit. And then I saw that I got the email notification, and then I ordered it later that day. So that's super cute. Let's open it up. It's really cute because it's so small. Is that focusing? I can't tell. I might just have to hold it back here, guys. Sorry. It's super cute. Oh, I love it. I think it's 5 millimeters wide and 6 meters long. I could be reading that incorrectly, but that's how I'm going to interpret that. Next, there's a Rilakkuma Eraser. I was going to say sticker, but it's an eraser. That's super cute. And on the back, I don't want to open the packaging, but it's super cute because there's like a little toast in there. Can you see that? That is super cute. How adorable! I know that they featured Rilakkuma in character kit 8, I want to say, and it was really popular and well received. So I think we can expect to see a lot more in future kits. Another Rilakkuma item that they included is this, I want to say it's a pen. I can't tell. Let's open it up. It's actually a pencil. So I was incorrect. I thought it was a pen. And this is 0.5. That's really nice. Let me get some scratch paper. Don't mind my previous swatches. This is from a different video. But here is the Rilakkuma mechanical pencil. And that makes sense because they included the Rilakkuma Eraser probably to pair with it. Super cute. I like this pencil. I like the wood barrel, and of course the character makes it super adorable. So I love that. Let's put those aside. Another Rilakkuma item that they included is the Sarasu clip. They have Rilakkuma on the click top, or the little clip, and I believe this is in blue. Sorry, I messed up here, but this is the Rilakkuma Sarasu clip, and this is in 0.4. I love this. This is really nice. I would say in most, if not all, of the kits that I've purchased so far, there has been a limited edition Sarasu clip, and I really, really like that. I think these pens write really nice and smooth. Of course, I love the clip, and the barrels are just always super duper adorable. The last item in this kit is little page flags. How cute is that? So you've got the page flags, and then these sort of like half sticky notes, craft paper, and neon pink, and then a full like square page note. That's really cute. Oh, he's so adorable. I'm not too familiar with this character, but I have watched a couple of Tokyo Pen Shop's character kit videos, and I know that this is one character that they like to include. And I'm so sorry, I lied to you. I have one more item that they included in this character kit, and it's the Uni-Jetstream 3 in 0.5, and it's got Minnie and Mickey, which I absolutely love. I love Disney stuff. I'm a little sad that there's only one, but at least there is one Disney item in this kit. So let's go ahead and swatch the colors. It looks like it's pretty standard: blue, black, and red. So here are the swatches of the Uni-Jetstream in black, blue, and red, and these are all in 0.5. I don't think I've tried a Jetstream before, and I have to say it writes really smooth, so I'm enjoying it so far, and of course has that nice clip top just like the Sarasu clip, and I mean, it's so cute, Minnie and Mickey. I love that. So here are all the items that were included in the character kit. We've got 3 writing utensils, and technically the Uni-Jetstream has 3, so if you want to count that, that would be 5 writing implements, since you got the 3-in-1. And then we've got the Rilakkuma Eraser, the page flags, and correction tape. So overall, I feel like it's a pretty complete set. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I just want to say a quick thank you to all the love and support that I've been getting on previous videos. I know I've been MIA, and I've just been busy with work and moving. So thank you for your patience. But if you guys want to see more videos, of course, let me know what exactly you'd like to see in the comments below. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!